Governor wa Meru Mutuma ntwethingiru ari na kinyite mbere ya kamiti ya Seneti ucoke biuri rutumiri bombesa mwakeni yo 2023-2024. Mutuma onekete kuru biuri ru kamiti irura kubwithia kamiti ya mwanya ya kuthuya marando ya Meru na koti ya Kitale thire kiriana no bwithia wa kamiti kiri magavana ma seneta baitianiria kamiti yu Antoni Kathenya aina ntetonkuluki.
Kiume kimoto nyume ya governor county ya Meru Mutuma ntwethinkia gukinya bungeni ya Seneti gucokia bilo bikuno utumiri bwa kigina kiri thirikari ya county ya Meru muthenya omri okairi governor Mutuma na thirikari ya batindite kamiti ninge gucunkuno utumiri bwa kigina kiri thirikari ya county ya CPAC.
I, Reverend Isaac Mutuma ntwethinkia, Governor of Meru.
Governor Mutuma ntwethinkia akiithagira thinani nene nyume masinete ba kamiti ino kumumeneri ontu bwa kuthondeka kanjo njere ya gucunkuna uma boambesa ile county ino tirite kiantu na ndwangi nkurani bala barutere wira county ino. Kulingana na maseneta, koti nene ya Kitale ni arungamire thirikari ya county kuthithia ucunkuni bwa madeni mala matimarie na kuga ngugi ino ibatele kurutania obisi ya mutari munene wa mathabu.
The county has constituted and gazetted a pending bills verification committee, which will verify the current stock of pending bills. The committee has commenced the task on 1st September 2025.
The ruling in Kitale has not been vacated.
Correct. So that is what I thought. So, Jaya, the fact that, and I agree with Senator Sifuna on terms and reference of a gazette notice, but these officers and this appointment of this gazette notice is null and void until the matter in Kitale High Court can be vacated or appealed. So, Governor, as you answer on terms and reference of this committee, what gave you the legal impetus to appoint a verification committee on the pending bills of Meru County?
I'm here to get wisdom from this oversight committee, and here I am getting it sufficiently.
Agitetera Governor Mutuma nerethitie ati gwa kagita kanene obisi alutite wirete na mwathakirira munene wa mawatho na thaino obisi no neonete mtu.
Chair, as I've told you earlier, my county attorney, county government of Meru, since the year 2022 has been operating like we're in the bush. We've not had
pilot.
Yes.
Point of order, Chair. Governor, have you not been part of his administration from the beginning?
Right, Chair.
So what does that say about you?
Let me put it in context.
Yes, Governor.
In the bush, I mean, we didn't have a county attorney, Mr. Chair, but now we do. Someone who can guide us on matters law. And
how long has through the chair your county attorney been in office?
1 month, Chair.
Kulingana na mutari munene wa mathabu, kaunti ya Meru kiri mwaka ujwa kigeni wa mwaka 2023 na 2024 yali na deni nene ya bilioni 1.3. Governor Mutuma akiuga thirikari mpaka omde nirite milioni 900. Akialikile musemani ojo, Seneti wa kaunti ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi ni auritie bunge ya Seneti gwetaga magavana balabale obisini kagita kame akele kuthithirwo sonkoni taule wali governor wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza kienda gusoke bila bikorwa byakagita kale ale obisini.
These audit queries are not I've looked at them. They have serious issues which now the officer who was there, the CEO, should be explained what happened during that time. So let the Senate let me go on record. Let the Senate lead by example. If you want it to do oversight, if you want it to be the citizens to be accountable, let us not leave the people of the hook. The officer who was in charge is in this country. Can even be someone even within and appear before this committee.
Thank you,
if we need to do serious oversight, Chairman.
It's like the senator for Meru is speaking for the governor of Meru. And I should be frank on this.
Order.
Not really, you out of order. Actually, Chair.
Can the governor Meru tell us that he's unable to proceed with the audit?
Actually, I'm raising this matter in the floor of the Senate.
If he is unable to proceed, then we can adjourn and call the previous office holders.
Personally, I'm not even targeting the governor, former governor for Meru. But I'm saying as the Senate, let this be the practice. If audit queries emanating from the past years the governors are still available, like we have now. They should be coming to represent and to answer their queries.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, Rangi wa Kadenya.